Hi. Feeling bloated, tired, or sluggish after lunch? Reset your gut with this powerful, healthy Barnyard Millet Veg Bowl. Light, nourishing, and packed with fiber and flavor. Let's cook a sattvic meal your digestion will love. Here is what you need for 2 servings. Half cup of barnyard millet, half cup of chopped carrot, half cup of chopped capsicum, slice of fresh ginger, and a healing blend of spices, cinnamon, cumin, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, a pinch of pink salt, and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Start by soaking barnyard millet for 2 hours. This tiny grain is gluten-free, rich in fiber, and a gut-friendly superfood. Now, pressure cook it with 2 cups of water with 2 to 3 whistles. Let it cool. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Your gut loves this healthy fat. Add 1 small cinnamon stick, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 crushed cardamom pods, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 2 cloves, and 1 inch chopped ginger, the king of digestion. Saute it until aromatic. Now toss in half chopped carrot, half chopped capsicum, both great for fiber and gut microbes. Saute till they soften. Add a pinch of pink salt and give it a nice mix. Now combine the cooked millet with this spiced veggie mix. Stir well and your gut healing power bowl is ready. Serve warm and enjoy its grounding digestive power. Barnyard millet cleanses your gut and balances blood sugar. Ghee lubricates your digestion. The spices, ginger, cumin, cardamom, calm vata, cool pitta, and energize sluggish kapha. This tridoshik meal suits all body types. Try this healing bowl for your next lunch and feel the difference in your energy and mood. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more holistic healthy recipes.